Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 and the iPhone 16 Pro. Today, we're diving deep into what sets these two flagship titans apart. The Fold7 flaunts a massive 8-inch foldable display that transforms your viewing experience, while the iPhone 16 Pro shines with its stunning Super Retina XDR OLED screen. Which one packs the better punch in camera power? The Fold7 boasts a staggering 200 MP main sensor, but the iPhone counters with advanced sensor shift OSI and LiDAR tech. How do their processors stack up for speed and efficiency? Can Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite compete with Apple's A18 Pro? Battery life, durability, and pricing also come into play. But here's the real question. Is the future foldable innovation worth the premium over the traditional powerhouse? Let's break it down and find out. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 dominates with its expansive 8.0-inch foldable display, offering nearly double the screen real estate compared to iPhone 16 Pro's 6.3-inch display, making multitasking and media consumption a game-changer on the Fold7. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7's jaw-dropping 200 MP main camera sensor steals the spotlight, delivering ultra-high-resolution shots that push mobile photography boundaries far beyond the iPhone 16 Pro's 48-megapixel sensor. Powered by an octa-core CPU with blazing 4.47 GHz cores, the Galaxy Z Fold7 promises superior raw processing power, ideal for heavy multitasking and gaming, outpacing the iPhone 16 Pro's 6-core setup. Despite the Fold7's larger screen, the iPhone 16 Pro offers a sharper pixel density at circa 458 ppi versus Fold7's circa 368 ppi, resulting in crisper visuals and text clarity on the iPhone's smaller display. Both phones use cutting-edge 3nm chipsets, but Apple's A18 Pro is renowned for its optimized performance and efficiency, often delivering smoother real-world usage compared to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite in the Fold7. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold7 houses a larger 4400 mAh battery, promising longer usage on a single charge compared to the iPhone 16 Pro's 3577 mAh. Crucial for power users who demand all-day stamina. The Fold7's foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2-inch display dazzles with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, eclipsing the iPhone 16 Pro's 2000 nits, making it better suited for outdoor visibility and HDR content. While the Fold7 offers a 10-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, the iPhone 16 Pro steps up with a 12-megapixel wide lens with OSI and a 3D depth sensor, enhancing selfie quality and biometric security. In terms of durability, the iPhone 16 Pro's IP68 rating allows it to survive deeper water immersion up to 6 meters, surpassing the Fold7's IP48 rating, making the iPhone more resilient in harsh environments. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 leads with up to 16 gig RAM options, offering more multitasking muscle compared to the iPhone 16 Pro's maximum 8 gig RAM, which benefits power users needing intense app handling. For video enthusiasts, the Fold7 supports impressive 8K recording at 30 FPS, exceeding the iPhone's 4K Max, making it the go-to for ultra-high-resolution video capture. Price-wise, the iPhone 16 Pro is significantly more affordable, starting around $1099, compared to the premium $1999 price tag of the Galaxy Z Fold7, raising the question of value versus innovation.